Number 5, what value of x will make the polygon here a parallelogram? So what we know from a parallelogram is that the opposites have to be congruent. So this has to be congruent to this. So x has to be equal to 70 degrees. Likewise, if this is 110, this also has to be 110 in this corner, right? Because if this is 70 and this is 110, they do add up to 180. So x has to be equal to 70 for this to be a parallelogram. Next, how are these two angles here related, right? Well, we know that this has to be congruent to this, right? This is x, okay? Then we also know that this here has to be congruent to this, 2x, right? Now, it is better for you to take a look at this. Here is the parallel line, okay? If you know this is parallel line and it is cut by this transversal, what do we know about the alternate interior angles here? Sorry, not alternate interior. What do you know about the consecutive interior angles? Well, we know that they are supplementary, which means that they add up to 180. So x plus 2x is equal to 180. 2x plus x is 3x equals 180. Divide 3 to both sides. This cancels. You get x is equal to 60. So x is equal to 60. That's how we make that into a parallelogram. Did you know that is the same thing as C here? These are also going to be consecutive interior angles or supplementary. So we have x minus 10 plus x plus 10. That's going to be equal to 180. X plus x is 2x. Minus 10 plus 10, that just disappears. So divide 2 to both sides. This cancels. We get x is equal to 90 degrees. So there you go.